How to lock Facebook profile officially. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Now, tap on the profile option on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your profile. Here, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for lock profile. So tap on the lock profile option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the lock profile option. Before that, make sure to read the guideline of what will happen once you lock your profile. So tap on the lock your profile option you see there and wait for the process to complete. And with this, as you can see, you have locked your profile successfully. So this was about how you can lock your Facebook profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.